Hi everyone. Today we will talk about Bank Nifty's direction and possibly we will make strategy out of it. In our analysis, we will include two things mainly, technical charts and open interest positions. Okay, so let's jump into the charts and look at the market. So here you can look at it. Bank Nifty closed around 34,850 on Friday. And if we look at daily charts, I think look at this point, and this point. Uh, I think we can sort of say 34,000 is our sort of good support. And if you want to look at resistance, I think 50 moving average is giving us a good resistance, which is 37,780. So if we talk about long-term view, 34,000 is our support and 37,800 is our resistance. Let's look at 15 minutes charts. From 15 minutes charts, we can sort of say that market did not go below 34,500 and upside resistance was 35,500. Looking at 15 minutes charts, we can see that 34,500 is our good support and 35,500 is a good resistance. Charts tells us that 35,500 is resistance and 34,500 is support. Okay. Okay. Now look at the second part of our analysis, which is the open interest changes. So when we look at the daily charts, we can sort of see that 35,000 is a good resistance and overall total call shorts are higher. So market is bearish and it could be a good resistance at 35,000. And can change if you look at the historical option change. Here also total call volume is higher. Call shorts volume here also total call shorts volume is higher. So we can sort of say that market is bearish as of now. And so let's quickly go and mention this into our sheet. So 35,000 is a good resistance and support is around 34,000. So what is our opinion based on the open interest positions? Both looking at the intraday chart and the positional chart. So we can sort of say that market at this moment is bearish and crossing 35,000 or 35,500 could be a challenge for market. So now we have looked at both the things, technical charts and open interest positions. So if market goes above 35,500, then only we will short puts, unless we don't want to enter into put shorts. Okay. Now the main question comes is when to short calls. I think we can sort of say that if market goes below 34,500, we can short calls and market could stay within this range also. So find that this our analysis is based on historical data and next week market can form new patterns. So always protect your capital and happy trading.